If you haven't seen this video going around today of a defendant attacking a judge, whew, I've got a good one for you. So this happened today, 1/3/24. This right here is a typical courtroom. Looks like every courtroom I've ever been in. And then this guy right here, this is the defendant. I've been zooming in trying to figure out who that is on his sweatshirt. So if you know, let me know. And then this guy over here in the blue suit, that is his defense lawyer. And the video starts with this view of the criminal defense lawyer explaining why his client should have probation, meaning be released from jail with certain restrictions. Now, meet the judge. That's the judge. And she's going to make a decision about whether this defendant can have probation or not. Now, my favorite person in this entire story, this entire video, is going to be this guy right here, who I assume is the judge's clerk. He looks like he's 12 years old. Can't really say much there. But this is the judge's clerk, I'm almost positive. And when he gets involved, it's amazing. So let me play the moment that all this happens, and then we'll talk about it. All right, so remember, criminal defendant. This is the deputy, by the way. Judge and her clerk over there. And here's her saying no probation. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the moment that everyone knew shit was about to go down. Look at the clerk's face. Now, the reason I say he's my favorite part of this story is because he jumps on the defendant and pulls him off the judge. But it gets better. Let me show you what else he does. Now watch, he's gonna start throwing punches. Here it comes. Look at that. Hammer, fist, punch, punch. And look at Mr. Criminal Defense Lawyer. He doesn't want any part of that. And to top it all off, sorry for the ringing noise, look what Captain America here does. Takes the American flag. So whoever Captain America is right here, that kid deserves a raise. In all seriousness, though, as a personal injury lawyer in Atlanta, Georgia, where in 2005, this guy named Brian Nichols, as he was being escorted into trial, he attacked a deputy, ended up killing people at the courthouse. This is a really sensitive and scary thing. The idea that a defendant, or frankly anybody, can get that close to a judge or get that close to anybody and hurt someone. I hope the judge is okay. I don't know if she was hurt, but crazy stuff. And this is for the reason when you walk into courtrooms, there's deputies. And the reason for them to stand next to criminal defendants a lot of times when they think that there may be a chance of this. So funny story about Captain America here, throwing punches, hoisting the American flag, but scary scene, really scary scene.